All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick one of the cool things. You know, this applicator here has saved us a lot of time. This is the applicator from Auto Fiber. They came out a couple years ago, maybe 3 years ago. And what it is, it's got foam on the inside, and then the foam is lined with a plastic, and then it's got this microfiber exterior. And the cool thing is that it bends. So all the product stays on your exterior right here. And not only that, so you have both sides. So one of the cool tricks that I like to use is for G Technique, considering that the second coat is a thicker coat and it's harder to move around the surface, and these tend to bunch up on you when you're moving some thick product across. What I like to do is I'll use one side for, say, the base. So now this side is hard and actually hardens up this back side, so it gives it some stiffness. So when I'm going with the second one, the second layer of G Technique, or say you're putting on any other products that are thick and hard to put on, like Ceramic Pro Marine, their first product that you put on, it's hard to move across the surface when this applicator is soft. So if you've used it and this side is hard now, after, like, say, the next day, you come back, you got something harder and a little bit more rigid to move across the surface. And what that does for you is just better overall coverage. When you're ceramic coating, you won't miss that many spots, and it's just a way better deal. So check them out, Auto Fiber applicators for ceramic coating. If you're not using them, you should start using them. Farther end on the products, they could go a lot longer, and you can move them across the surface a lot farther as well. Cool, check them out.